Hello everyone, happy to see you in the lesson today. It has been a week since we started the previous lesson. Before moving to the new lesson, let's review and check the last lesson. This is the result of your effort, so let's check it together. In lesson 2, we learned 6 structures. If I want to say, this is a dictionary, how do you say in Japanese? The answer is これは辞書です and the structure we use in this sentence is これ、それ、あれは and this. It means this, that, over there. Noun. これ express the object near the speaker. それ express the object near the listener. And あれ express the object which is far from both the listener and speaker. The structure この、その、あの. Do you remember it? The structure is pronouns are modified the nouns. For example, this book is mine. It will be この本は私のです. Let's see the following example and translate. Try to figure out what kind of structure is used in this example. この傘はあなたのですか? はい、そうです。What is your answer? The answer is this your umbrella? Yes, it is. The answer is the structure. そうです means yes, it is. Or そうじゃありません. No, it isn't. Next, do you remember the choice question? If you want to say それは本ですか? 雑誌ですか? How do you answer in this question? What would you like to choose, book or magazine? I would like to choose book, so I would say 本です. Next structure, N1, no, N2. Besides the meaning possessive, do you remember the second meaning of it? The answer is N1 explain for N2 about something. For example, これは料理の本です means this is a book about cooking. If you want to express the new information, you say そうですか? In English, we say really. この本はあなたのですか? いえ、田中さんのです。そうですか? Is this book yours? No, it is Tanaka. Oh, really? So together we had resumed the lesson 2. Let's move to the lesson today. In the lesson 3 today, we've been continuing the vocabulary following the subject and some new structures. And the subject of the dialogue today is about department store. I will also introduce to you some vocabulary about it. First, vocabulary. In this lesson, we will learn some groups like demonstrative pronouns, building, counters, money, and how to give charge. The last is some communicative structures. In lesson 2, we had learned some demonstrative pronouns, so today I want to introduce to you some others. First, ここ, here, placed relatively near speaker. そこ, there, placed relatively near listener. あそこ, over there, that place. It placed physically distant from both speaker and listener. To make a question about the direction where, what place, we use どこ. こちら is a politeness way to speak of ここ means this way, here. そちら is politeness way to speak of そこ means that way, there. あちら is same above あそこ means over there, that place. どちら is a politeness way to speak of どこ. So, in a building, it has a lot of positions like classroom, lobby, stairs, and what else we will see in the vocabulary right now. First, 事務所 office, 教室 classroom, 食堂 cafeteria, 会議室 conference room, 受付 reception, lobby, lobby, 部屋 room, トイレ restroom, 階段 stairs, エレベーター elevator, エスカレーター escalator, うち house, 地下 basement. To ask about the floor, we say 何階 means which floor. 国 country. The third group is counters. 売り場 counter, 靴 shoes, necktie necktie, wine wine, タバコ tobacco, 電話 telephone. Next is a group that most people concerned about. It is money. The currency unit of Japan is yen. To ask about the price, we say いくら means how much. 100 means 100. 1000 thousand. Man 10,000. This is the word to count. Next is some fixed structures. First, すみません means excuse me. でございます is the politest way to speak of すみません. In some cases that require the politeness and solemnity, we use this word. When we want to see something, we say 見てください means look at. じゃ is a transition of sentence, means well, then, so. So we have finished the vocabularies of the lesson 3. The amount of the new words are not too much, right? Let's practice to remember it. Next, we will move to the grammar part. Let's start with the first structure. It's about place. In the last lesson, we have learned some demonstrative pronoun, which is express the position of object. これ、それ、あれ. In this lesson, we will learn the direction, place to go. The pronoun ここ shows the position of the speaker. For example, here is the conference room. We will say ここは会議室です。そこ show the position of the listener. For example, there is the classroom of Aki. Then we will have to say そこはAkiさんの教室です。Equivalent to あれ、あそこ show the position which is far from both the listener and speaker. For example, over there is a cafeteria. We will have the answer is あそこは食堂です。There's something I want you to pay attention. It is in case the speaker say that the listener is also in his or her position. We will use ここ to show the position of both. Besides that, we can use そこ to indicate the position of two persons. あそこ show the position which is far from both. Do you understand the first structure of the lesson? Now, let's move to the second grammar. The second structure is N1, wa, N2, des. It is different from the structure introducing in the lesson 1. This structure is to express the object, person, or place in somewhere. In here, N1 is a noun referred to person or thing, while N2 is noun of a place. For example, Tanaka is in conference office. 田中さんは会議室です。Or, the cafeteria is over there. 食堂はあそこです。 The structure question I want to introduce in en wa, doko, dochira means en is the place, doko is from questioning. If in solemn case, we can use dochira. For example, where's the restroom? Toire wa doko desu ka? The word dochira, as I said before, it is the politest way to speak of the word doko. But the main function of dochira is to ask the direction. Besides that, when asking name of a country, company, school, or agency, organization, we also use this word. For example, which company are you working for? 会社はどちらですか? So we can see that in Japanese, the structure can be similar, but the meaning is different. You have to take note and understand clearly its structure to use it in the correct situation. Next, let's move to the structure that appeared in 2 previous lessons. That is, N1, no, and 2, with a different meaning. The structure is to express the product in producing in a country or a company. For example, this is Japanese computer. これは日本のコンピューターです。The word questions replace N1 attached with ka at the end when changed into question. For example, これはどこのコンピューターですか? What kind of computer is it? The final structure is okuni. In this structure, the prefix o is added in front of one word that is related to the listener or third person to express the respect of the speaker. For example, if you want to ask, where are you come from? お国はどちらですか? Now we have already finished 5 structures. It is really fast, right? Next, let's move to the vocabulary about department. First, 駐車場 means parking car. 食料品 means grocery or foodstuff. 化粧品 cosmetics. 婦人服 women clothes. 紳士服 men clothes. 家具 furniture. 食器 tableware. 電気製品 electronic goods. 子供服 children clothes. おもちゃ toys. 文房具 office stationery. スポーツ用品 sports stuff. 旅行用品 traveling stuff. メガネ glasses. 催し物会場 entertainment venues. 屋上 rooftop. 遊園地 amusement park. Now, I had shown you all the vocabulary about department. Let's apply the new words with some structures above to practice the dialogue. The situation of the dialogue. Aki comes to the counter to buy wine and the salesman consults for her. Before going to the counter to buy wine, Aki doesn't know where's the wine. She asks the salesman, すみません、ワインはどこですか? Excuse me, where's the wine counter? The salesman say, ワインは地下です. In basement. Aki say, thank you and go. ありがとう. After going wine counter, she took a look and choosing the most suitable wine, she said to the salesman, すみません、そのワインを見てください. Excuse me, may I see that bottle, please? The salesman take it and give it to her. はい、どうぞ. Yes, please. Aki wondered, これはフランスのワインですか? Is this French wine? The salesman said, いえ、違います。韓国のです. No, it isn't. This wine is from Korea. Aki asked for the price. Ikura desu ka? Means how much is it? The salesman say. 2000 yen desu means 2000 yen. Aki decided to buy this bottle and she said, じゃ、これをください. I take this one. The salesman say, はい、わかりました. Yes, I got it. Do you understand the dialogue? Let's practice again one more time. すみません、ワインはどこですか? ワインは地下です。ありがとう。すみません、そのワインを見てください。はい、どうぞ。これはフランスのワインですか? いえ、違います。韓国のです。いくらですか? 2000円です。じゃあ、これをください。はい、わかりました。Next is a part I'm sure that you are looking for. It is a culture corner. Today, I will give you a new song. This is a lovely song which tells the love story of a girl. She falls in love with a boy, but it is unrequited. The original song named Mouse Love Rice is from Chinese, so let's listen it together. So we have passed all the content of the lesson 3. Before finish our lesson today, let's resume it again. In vocabulary part, we had learned 5 groups: demonstrative pronouns, building, money, counters, and department. The grammar part involved 5 structures and mostly about directions, place, and origin of products. And what else is another meaning of the structure N1, no, N2. So the lesson today is over. I hope to see you in the 4th lesson and try to study hard and doing all your homework. Sayonara.